Hey guys, don't judge me, I look crazy right now. But I wanted to share with you guys this cute thing that I'm doing for my best friend Vanessa. I did her makeup when we went to Atlanta and she loved it and asked me to get her like all the products that I used on her and to give her like makeup that I no longer use anymore or like things to help her out to, just boost her little makeup routine because she doesn't really wear makeup at all. So I just want to share with you what I'm doing for her. I'm making her this super cute little care package and I'm throwing in, the beauty blenders that she's going to need, some lashes, the concealer I used for her. I don't really use this setting powder anymore, but it's perfect for her. Some basic brushes, some basic eyeshadow brushes, Hoola bronzer, contour, setting spray, and a detailed list of instructions. 16 steps on how to snatch her face, all made with love from me. So, Vanessa, I hope you're watching this, and I hope you love your care package. I love you. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. If you're new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for more great content. And if you've been here before, go ahead and hit that like button because I already know y'all are going to enjoy today's video. In today's video, we are going to be doing yet again another review of Jeffree Star x Morphe collaboration. Please don't hate me. You guys should already understand my obsession with Jeffree by now. So today I am going to be reviewing the iconic Nudes collaboration with Morphe X Jeffree Star. I'm going to be reviewing the packaging, the component, and the performance of the products. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a mini tutorial once again on how to achieve bigger, fuller, juicier lips. I'm going to show you how to make your lips look 2 times bigger without any injections, without any of that lip gloss that makes your lips puff up because it has snake venom or some kind of poison or something that's not good for your skin. I'm going to show you how to do all of that using these Nudes and a really good lip liner. So stay tuned for the mini lip tutorial. Morphe X. So this is the Morphe X Jeffree Star iconic Nudes. Now, it is said that this collection will have you shook. Jeffree's iconic liquid lippies meet Morphe's high shine glosses. Going nude has never looked so good. I don't know about y'all, but when I go nude, it looks damn good. Just kidding, I'm probably going to cut that out. Sorry, kids. Sorry, Mom. Here is the packaging. I absolutely love it. It is very similar to the component of the eyeshadow and the packaging of the eyeshadow, and it's all cohesive with the rest of the collaboration. It's super cute. You can never go wrong with a pink moment. What really makes this packaging stand out for me is the reflective silver moment we have going on. If this was sitting on a shelf with a bunch of other products, this would definitely catch my eye more than the other products would. So for packaging, I give it a 10 out of 10. Of course, it's really hard for me to not like a pink package, but the strip of silver just sets it over the top. So now let's go ahead and move on to the components. So here are the components all together. This is a mini nude collection. Keep in mind that's why the product is so small. I love it. It's very on brand with the Jeffree Star velour liquid lips. I don't know if you've ever purchased one, but they look exactly like this. But I love the little twist that they did on, whoop, whoop, whoop. I love the little twist they did for the lip glosses. I'm going to show you one in one because it's the exact same component for every single one. So for the velour liquid lips, this is the component. Very similar to the Jeffree Star Cosmetics velour liquid lip, except for it has the collaboration name on it with Morphe. But they did switch it up and do a cool little like prism type thing going on here with the iconic Morphe M. Yeah, the component is super cute as well. I love the little stars. I love the pink. I love just like, look at this. Like, I love how you could see the product and it's like all clear around it. It looks super sleek and super smooth. It doesn't look messy at all. It's a pretty high quality component for a very low price. So component, I really like it. It's pretty cool. I don't know what else to say about it. I like the component. Once again, 10 out of 10, 5 stars, love it. Now let's move on to what we've all been waiting for, is the performance part / the tutorial on how to make your lips look 2 times bigger. So let's go ahead and give ourselves a quick little lip job real quick. Let's go get our lips done real quick for not even a quarter of the price. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and go over the performance part of this video. So first we're going to start with the shade Leo, and if you're wondering why I'm skipping the shade Mannequin, is because if you stay tuned for the mini tutorial, I do use that shade, so I don't want to be redundant. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and jump in with Leo. And this is going to be actually a first impression because I haven't tried it yet. And I figured for the performance part of this video, I won't put on any lip liner like I do in the mini tutorial, just for the sake of the video and just to see how the products perform on their own without any help. So let's see if I can give myself a lip job with just the shade Leo standing alone. I am actually really impressed. This is the shade Leo, and I didn't use any lip liner and my lips look so much bigger and I love it. This is a perfect fall shade, so I'm really excited about that. I honestly think that I'm going to just stick to these two nudes because they're like really perfect, and lately I've been doing a lot of crazy eyeshadow, so when you do like really crazy eyeshadow, you can go even crazier and match your lipstick with it, but I like to keep it nude. And this is a perfect nude for me. This is a perfect nude for fall. I think it's a really great one for my skin tone. And so far, I'm loving this performance of this product. Okay, so next is Star Crown, which is that lip gloss that I applied over Leo, and I'm going to do it for the sake of the video, just completely on its own, but in a real life scenario, I would definitely put on some lip gloss over it because I like to give the illusion that my lips are bigger than they actually are. But for the sake of the video, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this gloss by itself. This is gorgeous. I've never had a lip gloss that like stays consistent like this on its own. I think personally, I would have to definitely use this with a lip liner because of my skin tone. I feel like it kind of washes me out and it matches like too much. It looks like I have no lip or nothing on, but I don't know, that's just how I see it in the monitor. It might look different once I edit it. But yeah, I'm really liking this one, but I definitely wouldn't wear it by itself. I definitely had to outline my lips so you can like see where my lips actually start, because looking in the monitor, I can't really tell. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a quick clip on of what it would look like if I had lip liner on. And now I am definitely in love with this lip gloss. It complements my lips so well, and it really goes really great with this lip liner. Now let's move on to the shade First Impressions, and this is going to be a first impression of First Impressions completely on its own. So there might be a little tinge to the shade just because I used it to go over the shade Mannequin in the mini tutorial. So unfortunately we won't get the full effect of the shade. But this is a shade that I wouldn't wear alone anyway. I never wear just a plain gloss on its own. So I don't like that there's like very little product that comes out, so you really have to build it. Jeffree Star would never, but this is a Morphe's. This is on Morphe's end, okay? This is definitely buildable depending on how subtle you want to go with it or how extra you want to go with it. Yeah, if I'm going super, super subtle, not even a subtle flex, just like super subtle, this would be the lip gloss that I would wear. So now let's go ahead and try on, last but not least, Slurp. All right, here we go, last but not least. And this one is another first impression. I haven't touched this one yet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. This goes so well with my shirt and my eyeshadow today. This is super consistent, and although it's not something that I would wear myself, it's still a really great product, and the consistency is so surprising. I'm literally shook. Like, Jeffree was right. Like, I'm shook at this collection. It's so iconic, but what else would you expect from Jeffree Star? So my final thoughts on the performance of the products: I really, really love the consistency of all of the products. My only complaint would be that on some of the glosses or first impressions, mainly, you have to like really get in there with the doe foot. Otherwise, the product doesn't really come out. So that's my only complaint. Other than that, all of the products are really thick and creamy and consistent in the formula. They are also, in case you were wondering, really, really easy to take off. These, like, they just like swiped right off with a little makeup wipe, as you can see here. So yeah, I am like, I know I say this a lot, or I don't think I've said this on this channel yet. I am obsessed with this collection, and as soon as I saw it, I had to like swipe up and put that in my cart. 5 nudes for, yeah, there we go. So yeah, stay tuned for a mini tutorial on how to make your lips look 2 times bigger. This method that I use, I literally posted a picture on Instagram and put on my story, just got my lips done, and so many people messaged me, where did you go? Oh my gosh, it was your doctor, they look so good, because I created this illusion of bigger, fuller lips. So if you want to do that for yourself, stay tuned. Okay, so First things first, ladies, you need to moisturize your lips. You cannot put on a matte lip with crusty lips. I'm sorry, but you cannot. So, step one is to moisturize with a lip balm, chapstick, whatever. Depending on your level of crust, you either go with Carmax, which is my go-to if my lips are super, super dry and crusty, or if it's a mild crust, you know, just a little crust here and there, go with the EOS. This is for like a mild crust or you just want to add some little moisture in your lips. But definitely don't go into this lip tutorial without moisturizing your lips. Okay, step one, no crust. Alright, this ain't a pizza. Step two, grab your favorite dark lip liner. I always go with my MAC lip liner and the shade Cork. I love this lip liner. I use it for almost every shade. I'll even use it for like a pink shade too. So grab your favorite brown lip liner. I recommend a dark brown depending on your skin tone. So now I'm going to zoom into my lips so I can explain this properly. Please ignore any hair or mustache or beard that you might see in the following step. So the Cupid's bow, we're going to fill in this space right here. All that empty space, we're going to fill in. And we're going to fill in that empty space only to make it look more natural. I know a lot of people like to do a straight line through their Cupid's bow, but that if you do a straight line through your Cupid's bow, I feel like you can tell right away that you overlined your lips. And it's not as flattering as keeping your natural lip shape. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in once again while I apply the lip liner so you can see closely how I do it. It looks a little crazy, but trust me, it's going to be worth it in the end. For this step, it's easiest if you go like this. Now you're going to fill in a little bit on your bottom lip. And right here you can create a little X. And in the corners. Sometimes if your lip liner is dark enough, you can even create your own shape of lip. So sometimes I like to go really pointy with it. Sometimes I like to go really round with it. Just depends on the mood I'm in. Okay, so now that the lips are all lined up, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the liquid lipstick. And don't be afraid to go over your natural lip into the liner. You want to go directly beneath the liner to create the illusion. So even though you go over the liner with the lipstick, it still creates like a shadow or an illusion that your lips are bigger. That's why it's best to use a dark shade like this one because it's perfect for creating a shadow or creating an illusion that your lips are actually that big. So now you can just watch how I go in with the lipstick. So if you mess up and go too big, you can just grab your beauty blender and pretty much erase it. Use it as an eraser. Like I messed up a little bit right here. But I just like pat it down a little bit. Now I look like I just got off the surgery table with no needles involved. And I saved about $1,600 in the process as well. So I will take this over lip injections any day or until I can afford lip injections because let's be honest, everybody wants some real juicy lips, okay? Yeah, so you can easily achieve this look with the right lip liner and the right liquid lipstick. And if you want to make your lips look even juicier, which is not even a question, of course you do, to complete the illusion of big juicy lips, you gotta gloss them up. So now I'm gonna gloss them up with First Impressions. It's just a super sleek, clear gloss. And I'm gonna go in all over the lip. Like I said, don't be afraid to go over your natural lip line. It's an illusion, girl, they'll never know. And there you go, guys. I'm gonna jump back to a photo or a video clip of me before the lips. And now here I am with freshly injected lips with no needles, girl. The key is to not go too crazy with it. Keep your natural lip shape. Use a really good dark lip liner and a really good lipstick that complements that shade of lip liner. And then just pick your perfect gloss, or you can just keep it matte, whatever you prefer. I know a lot of you might think that this is too crazy for you, but this is really comfortable to me. It's literally what I do every single time I go out. So I'm really used to seeing my lips like this. I love seeing my lips like this. I wish I could wipe off the lipstick and they'd still be this big, but I gotta work with what God gave me. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If y'all enjoyed this review slash mini tutorial, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Comment down below what types of videos you'd like to see in the future. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Adios!